Hi, I'm Steph, one of the co-founders of Keep It Anchored. If you're watching this video, you're either just curious about the Keep It Anchored products, or you're starting to experience hair loss. And if it's the latter, I want you to know I know how emotional hair loss can be, and we're here to answer any questions you might have. I'm also here because I want to tell you my personal experience with hair loss. I think it's so important for us to have these conversations and normalize hair loss because so many of us are experiencing it. In fact, 60% of the people in the US are concerned about hair loss. My hair loss story has to do with postpartum hair loss. I have a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old, and as my fellow mamas can attest, during the 9 to 10 months you're pregnant, you have the best hair of your life. It's full, it's thick, it's shiny. You're basically in hair heaven. And then for me, with my son at about 3 months, and then with my daughter at about 6 months, you start to lose that hair. And it's not just 1 or 2 hairs here and there, it's a lot, and it's all of a sudden. Every time I brushed my hair, the brush was full. Every time I took a shower, my hands would just be full of my hair. And it's scary, it's really scary, especially since your hormones are already kind of raging. You're then seeing all your hair fall out, and it takes an emotional toll. I also want to tell you that it is totally normal. As soon as your hormones regulate themselves, the hair loss stops, and it'll grow back. It grows back slowly, and you have what I call postpartum horns, which are your baby hairs coming in, but it will grow back. Now, for Keep It Anchored. Keep It Anchored isn't going to regulate your hormones. You still will lose your hair postpartum. At least some of you will. But what Keep It Anchored will do is it'll create the perfect environment for your hair to grow back fuller and thicker. And I would highly recommend using it. And honestly, you have nothing to lose, well, except maybe your hair. We have a 60-day money-back guarantee, so try it. You'll get that full, thick hair back before you know it.